How to set up lock screen on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up lock screen on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to set up a new lock screen on your iPhone, what you first do is head over to your settings. Open up your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should find wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper. And after you tap on wallpaper, there you'll get an option to add a new wallpaper. Tap on add new wallpaper. And from here, you will be able to choose a lot of different wallpapers. There are different options available. You can see different pre-built wallpapers here. You can see emojis and stuff like that. You can even add photos if you want to. If you want to add photos, tap on the photos button here on the top left and simply select whichever photo you want to add as a lock screen. So I'll just choose one from here. I'll just choose this wallpaper or lock screen, and after I'm done, I'll tap on add option on the top right corner. After I tap on it, now I can simply set it as wallpaper pair. Tap on it and you now have a new wallpaper. If you want to check it out, you can simply swipe down from the top and check out your new wallpaper, and that's basically how you get set up new wallpaper or new lock screen on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.